Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Allgauer, owner and audiologist at Rocket Hearing and Balance. Today I'll be reviewing the procedure for changing the wax guard on a Phonak Audeo Paradise rechargeable hearing aid. Our Phonak Audeo Paradise rechargeables are currently charging in the Phonak mini charger case. This is a smaller version of the standard charging case, and it's really great for travel. First, we'll remove the hearing aid from the charging case. Pull the hearing aid forward and up. You'll notice that I'm handling the hearing aid by the case, not by the wire. Next, we'll remove the gray earpiece at the end of the wire. That's called the dome. Using a tissue, gently remove any wax or debris present on the dome and remove it like so. Inside the receiver, we can see a white spot. That's the wax guard. The main job of the wax guard is to prevent earwax from infiltrating the receiver. If looking into your receiver you see a brown dot, that's earwax. Next, we'll grab our SeroShield disc. It comes in a white box like this, and it looks like this. At the top of the black disc is a 1, and at the bottom a 2. Turn it gently in the direction of the arrows until you hear a click. You'll see an empty receptacle at 1 and a new wax guard at 2. Gently insert the receiver into the receptacle at 1 until you hear a click, and remove. You'll see the old wax guard here, and you'll notice that your receiver is now empty. We'll do the same thing at 2 to insert the new wax guard. Gently press the receiver into the receptacle until you hear a click, and then remove. There's our new wax guard. Next, we'll place the dome back onto the receiver wire. Holding the receiver and not the wire, position the dome like so and insert. And now you're a pro! Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more Rocket Hearing and Balance content on YouTube. You can also like Rocket Hearing and Balance on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at rocket_balance, or visit our website at www.rocketbalance.com. Thanks for watching.